So look, I mean, there are 2 points I'd make here. One thing, I looked yesterday, and the ringgit has actually outperformed the Japanese yen and gold prices since July, which is incredible. I didn't realize that, but that's an incredible move. And the second point I'd make is obviously the interest rate differential story is part of the reason for ringgit strength, but the other reason is corporate FX deposits. This has been a very important theme in Asia, where corporates had built up foreign currency deposits. It was kind of a carry trade rather than converting it into local currency. But Malaysia is the one country where the central bank has actually incentivized corporates to convert their FX deposits into local currency, into ringgit. And that's been a very important driver of the outperformance of the Malaysian ringgit. We haven't seen that in all countries in Asia. It's not that clear what's happening in other countries. But in Malaysia, it's very clear they're incentivizing corporates to convert their FX deposits to local currency. And if that continues, the ringgit will probably remain strong, in addition to the interest rate differential argument that you were talking about earlier.
Yeah, so do you think this is going to continue to be the outperformer as far as EM currencies are concerned in the face of the dollar weakness, or do you think there's another one to keep an eye on?
I mean, I would always look at laggards rather than outperformers. Like, it's probably not the best entry level to be long the ringgit right here, right now. And if I look at the Asia-Pacific region, I think the laggard to look at is probably the Korean won. The Korean won has strengthened a bit, but it's lagged the appreciation in other currencies. There could be lots of reasons for this. We have seen outflow from Korea, from the retail investor segment. We have seen less inflow into the domestic stock market. But I think ultimately, if we do see a broad US dollar downtrend, then the Korean won should be a beneficiary. So I think in relative terms, we do like the Korean won more within the Asia FX complex.